SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x16 I-beam equipment trailer with stand-up ramps. At the front we do have a heavy duty front jack, as well as the hitch, safety chains, and breakaway cable. There is a chain basket at the front of this equipment trailer. This trailer has pressure treated wood flooring, as well as D-rings, little step ups, a front passenger side tire mount. There are stake pockets along the side, as well as diamond plate fenders. This equipment trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as stand-up rear ramps. They're secured with pin arm locks. This equipment trailer does have a dovetail design. There are two 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. Our ramps do measure 5 foot in length. Once again, this is a 7x16 I-beam equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.